is Animal Company. A fun game. It has multiplayer, it has weapons, it's a PvP game. Family friendly though. Very family friendly. Don't be bad, be nice. In Animal Company, you can get cosmetics like what I have right now. Like this hat is for linking your account, your Discord account to your Meta account. See, every smart gorilla knows to get your hat, you have to link your account. And also, my shirt you can no longer get because killed I killed 15 people in the arena game mode. Still in beta mode. Still in beta. And I can show you. You just kill 15 people in a public 5v5 round in one round. You can't go 5 kills in this round, 10 kills. No, it has to be one round. And you know I am super active, gyatts, because I got every VHS tape. But I have every skill. Those skills are like, well, just follow me. These are skills. Skills all like getting this stuff. You can tell I have all from the low number. I have double jump. I'm not gonna go into detail because that would be boring. But sadly, come over here. I can't buy this. I only have 4,100 company coins. So, please like and subscribe. And I'll give you a new video every week. Starting Thursday into Friday. Into